TypeScript has officially moved from being a nice-to-have to an absolute must-have in 2025. But why is it dominating the coding world? Reason 1. Type safety.
Developers no longer have to suffer from those painful runtime errors. TypeScript catches problems at compile time, saving hours of debugging. Reason 2. Scalability. Modern apps are massive, with millions of lines of code and hundreds of contributors. TypeScript makes collaboration easier and reduces the chaos in large projects. Reason 3. Ecosystem support. Frameworks like React, Next.js, Angular, and even backend platforms now treat TypeScript as first class. That means better tooling, smoother integration, and fewer roadblocks. In short, TypeScript is no longer just an option. It's becoming the default language of serious developers. So if you're still coding only in plain JavaScript, now is the time to upgrade your skill set. The industry is already moving. Don't get left behind.